Hey everyone, today I've got something super exciting to share with you. If you're into vintage patterns and love crochet as much as I do, you're going to love this. We're taking a first look at Vintage Crochet from the National Library of Australia. Let's check it out. Okay, so this stunning book was released on April 1st, 2024, and is a follow-up to Vintage Knits from 2022. It's packed full of vintage patterns from old school Aussie magazines like the Australian Woman's Weekly and the Australian Woman's Mirror. All the patterns have been updated to work with our current day materials and techniques. So no guessing games. You can find most of these patterns on Trove, but they are in their original forms and not updated. Usually one of the biggest problems working with vintage patterns is that there is a lot of assumed knowledge, and of course the materials they use don't exist in the same forms as they do now. First off, let's talk about how pretty this book is. I love the maroon cover. I think the cover photo perfectly encapsulates the vibe of the whole book. The little crochet hook detail on the spine is also a nice touch. I can tell just by looking at it that a lot of effort has been put into the presentation of this book. The mix of original illustrations and modern photos is just perfect. It really captures the vintage charm. The book has something for everyone, with garments, accessories, toys, and homewares. And the best part? Each pattern is presented with enough space around it as to not feel overwhelming. One of the burning questions you have is probably, is this book size inclusive? And the answer is no. While the patterns have been updated, they have not included more sizes. There are, however, helpful hints in the book on how to resize the items to fit. I wouldn't be discouraged, as there are plenty of projects in this book, and as your skills grow, so will your ability to pattern hack. One of the patterns I wanted to highlight was the one from the cover, the motif cardigan. The model is absolutely beaming, and it honestly looks like such a cheerful make. I'm seriously excited to make this one. Another cool thing about this book is it's packed full of stories about the history of crochet, like there is one about granny squares and another about famous Australian pattern makers. I'm really enjoying the mini history lessons while I'm crafting. All in all, I'm really enjoying Vintage Crochet. The variety of patterns, crochet history pages, and overall presentation of the book is a winner to me. It doesn't matter if you are a pro or just starting out, this book has a project for you. This book costs $39 from the National Library of Australia website. So what do you think? Have any of you picked up Vintage Crochet yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this first look, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more craft book reviews and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and happy crocheting! See you next time!